Hey guys, today I'll be discuss about the relieving of the constipation massage. How I'm doing. This constipation massage is good for you because how I do the movement of your stomach. I just undraping on all the parts. Only the parts should be open here. You can make sure how the person is sitting, lie down like this position. And first of all, just I without oil use my hands. I just do a little stroking. Always start from your right to left. This is the ascending colon, this is the transverse colon, and this is the descending colon, this is the sigmoidal colon. This is the entering for all the external particles enter from here. And then I don't want to touch the bottom of the area, I touch from the right side just to give the good stroking to the upward stroking. Always do the upward stroking like this, and then get the stroking like the transverse stroking, transverse colon, and then make sure the stroking downwards to the descending colon, and make sure the colon should become with the sigmoidal colon. This is the three colon: ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoidal. These three things is upward, transverse, descending, and sigmoidal. This is the important for the constipation because the movement is not restricted someone. You can have to do this movement. Make sure you can put the movement as softer and give the pressure like this, and then do the movement like this one. Make sure. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
And then you can do like the movement and see how it is works. Always stripping like towards like this. See, this is the right side. I am standing on the left side. How I am stripping this one is much more easier. Lift up the hands, put your hands like this, your muscle, lift it up, hold it and lift it up. Same thing, lift it up like this, and then you can keep stroking like a transverse one, and then keep doing for descending one to upward one, and give the pressure on here and send them the pressure pull down to the colon. How I'm doing to stripping like this, squeezing your muscles, find comfortable position. You feel any pain and discomfortable?
No.
You'll be okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's why we can keep going, and you can do like a 5 seconds, as well as you can stripping like the one, say do like this, put that shutting down from all the colon, come to downwards, and then put the colon should be upward position, and as well as you strip like this one and to enter like this. I'm using little oil, that's why the skin not dripping on all the sides is more comfortable with you guys. I'm adding oil with that, and then always go the direction right, left, and right and goes to left, right and goes to left. How I'm doing, stripping like this way, stripping like this way, the meantime you have to give a good point, hold it on a pressure like a little more deeper, and patient's comfortable level. The client should be okay with that.
Yes.
And then give the pressure on here, and I give the pressure evenly to ascending to the transverse colon. And how I am stripping, looking at me, how I am stripping. Mostly if you want doing like this kind of massage, it's an empty stomach is much more easier, guys. If you're full stomach, no need to be do that. You feel a dizziness and vomiting sensation. And some people have in 3 days and 4 days, the kids now do the constipation one. You have to do this kind of time for weekly 2 times or 3 times for your kids or bigger people or the elderly people. They're suffering for the constipation more. And you guys are doing like the kind of stripping of the massage is much more easier, as well as you guys are eat some fresh fruits and bananas is more mucoidal jelly like you're feeling. Drink some regular water, that will be easier for you. Keep drinking for 2 or 3 liters a day, and you can stripping as well as you can do like a tapping. How I'm tapping, looking at me. Are you okay?
Yeah.
And then do like this kind of stuff and stripping like this. How I'm tapping like that, hold it like this and then stripping like this. Okay guys, and then next one is a final one, just stripping like a light stripping. Do it just like this, light stripping 3 times, and make sure you feel more relaxed and more comfortable with that. Thank you guys. And this is the main technique we are using in the whole thing. After that, I just undraping on the whole body, and then the patient need a secure and comfortable. After that one, you just give the pressure. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Give the vibration compression. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Give the vibration compression. Take a deep breath in, slow down, release, vibration compression. Do it like this in top of your towel, and patient's more comfortable. After that, just press back. That will be okay. That's it guys. This is the constipation relieving massage. Try to do it, really is helpful for you. This massage is more effective, and do it for weekly 2 times or 3 times a day. And make sure drink more water and eat nice vegetables and eat bananas. Is good relieving for you. I think hopefully you guys are get it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye.